What's up, y'all? So, it's nighttime, y'all. So I got on my scarf and my gown, and I gotta show y'all this blizzard that's going on out here in my neighborhood, y'all. Okay. So yeah, take a walk with me to the front door. We're gonna look at oh, y'all hear that? We having a terrible blizzard that's coming off of Lake Erie. Okay. I live in New York, and we're having a lake effect is what they call it. Something about when something happens at Lake Erie, we get a terrible storm. So we're expecting like 7 inches, but I want to show y'all this blistery mess that's going on, but I love it. Okay, just hold on 1 second. So y'all just hold on 1 second. I'm going downstairs, and I'm gonna open the door and show y'all the nonsense and foolishness and foolery that's going on up out here. Okay? Alright. So, alright, I'm going to give y'all. Okay, wait a minute. Let me open the door and show y'all. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see the real mess that's going on. But honey, it's blowing like it's okay, so you can probably hear the wind, but the wind blows so hard that it actually, oh, I'm outside. The wind blows so hard. Oh, it's cold. Oh my God, I can't take it. The wind blows so hard, oh, that it shakes the windows in the house. Okay, so whoa, whew, cold. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that wind? Mama gotta go. Okay, I just told y'all that I was gonna come and give y'all when we get the first snow. I was gonna come at y'all, honey. Look, it's blowing, babe. Look at that blowing. That's not even the hardest yet. It's been blowing. Look at that. All right, y'all. Here we go. First blizzard in New York, y'all.